In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a checkbox to a DocuSign document. We'll start right from your DocuSign dashboard. Go ahead and open DocuSign in your browser and sign in if you're not already. Once you're logged in, you should land on the main dashboard. This is your home base, where you can see recent activity and start new envelopes. From here, look for the option that says Get Signatures. This is the quickest way to start preparing a document that someone else needs to review and sign. Click on Get Signatures, and DocuSign will take you to a new screen where you can upload the document you want to use. On this page, you'll see an upload area or a button labeled Upload. Click on that Upload button. A file picker window from your computer will open. Now, navigate to the folder on your device where your document is saved. This could be a PDF, Word file, or another supported format. Click on the file you want to send, and then confirm the selection. DocuSign will upload the file and show you a preview, usually on the left or in the center of the screen, so you can make sure you've chosen the correct document before moving on. Next, you'll need to tell DocuSign who should receive and complete this document. You'll see fields where you can enter recipient details. In the name field, type the full name of the person who needs to sign or interact with the document. Right below that, enter their email address carefully, since this is where DocuSign will send the invitation. It's a good idea to double-check the email to avoid delays. Once the recipient's name and email are filled in, look for the button that says Next, Add Fields. Click this to move into the editing area, where you can place all the interactive elements on the document, including the checkbox. In the Fields panel, find the checkbox option. Click on Checkbox, then click and drag it onto your document. Drop it exactly where you want the signer to tick, for example, next to a statement they need to agree to. You can adjust its position by dragging it around until it lines up neatly with your text. When you're happy with the placement, your final step is to send the document. Look for the Send button, usually at the top or bottom right of the screen, and click it. DocuSign will email your recipient with a link to review the document and check the box you've added.